Looking for a versatile and convenient way to cook delicious meals indoors? This BELLA Electric Griddle with Crumb tray might be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. This review dives deep into the features, functionality, and overall user experience of this electric griddle, helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. Sizable cooking surface. One of the first things that stands out about the BELLA Griddle is its generous cooking surface. Measuring 10 inches by 16 inches, it offers ample space to cook a variety of foods simultaneously. Whether you're whipping up a stack of pancakes for breakfast, searing steaks for dinner, or grilling fajita veggies, this griddle can handle it all. This makes it ideal for families and those who like to cook in batches. Fast and even cooking. The BELLA Griddle boasts a powerful 1N200-watt heating element that ensures quick and even heat distribution. This is further enhanced by the Nonstick surface, which is claimed to cook up to 30% faster than standard coatings. This translates to less time spent waiting for the griddle to preheat and faster cooking times for your food. Precise temperature control. Gone are the days of burnt or undercooked food. The BELLA Griddle features an adjustable temperature dial that allows you to precisely control the heat. This is perfect for cooking delicate items like fish or eggs at lower temperatures, while still achieving a nice search on thicker cuts of meat at higher settings. Healthy cooking with drip tray. For health-conscious cooks, the BELLA Griddle comes equipped with a removable drip tray. This ingenious feature collects excess fat and juices that render out of your food as it cooks. This not only makes the subsequent cleaning process easier, but also allows for healthier meals with less added fat. Cool touch handles for safety. Safety is paramount in the kitchen, and the BELLA Griddle prioritizes this with its cool touch handles. These handles remain comfortably cool even while the griddle is in use, preventing accidental burns during cooking and maneuvering. Keep food warm with warming tray. Some models of the BELLA Griddle may come with a built-in warming tray. This is a fantastic feature for keeping cooked food warm until serving, especially when cooking for a crowd. Easy cleaning and maintenance. The BELLA Griddle is designed for effortless cleaning. The FOA-free, non-stick surface ensures food releases easily, minimizing scrubbing. Additionally, the cooking surface and drip tray are dishwasher-safe double-check specifications for your specific model, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Travel-friendly design. An interesting feature, though not necessarily present on all models, is the detachable power cord. This makes the BELLA Griddle a potentially portable option for camping trips, dorm rooms, or self-catering holidays. However, it's important to note that its size might not be ideal for all travel scenarios. Safety and certifications. The BELLA Griddle prioritizes safety by being FOA-free and containing no harmful chemicals. This ensures peace of mind knowing you're cooking with a product that doesn't compromise the health of your family. Overall impression. The BELLA Electric Griddle with Crumb tray offers a compelling combination of features and functionality for a reasonable price. Its spacious cooking surface, fast and even heating, precise temperature control, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to busy kitchens. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting, this electric griddle can simplify your meal preparation and expand your culinary repertoire. Final verdict. The BELLA Electric Griddle is a versatile and user-friendly appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. It's a great option for families, busy cooks, and anyone who wants to enjoy delicious and healthy meals indoors. Consider your cooking needs, desired features, and budget before making a decision. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.